There's two different kinds of customers. There's the I have concrete that's corroding customer who benefits from getting a beautiful floor just because they want that to stop because they know eventually they're gonna have to get a new slab. And the other type is, oh, my neighbors have this floor, you did it, that's stunning, I want it too.
The garage kind of by itself, I think, is separated from the house. It just seems like a place to park your car. Once you get it coated, it really becomes an extension of the house.
What makes our company different? It's really our people and our process. Details are important. The people that we have installing the floors are passionate about it. We've been doing these floors for almost 10 years. And so the company that taught us how to do the floors, our partner, Garage Floor Coating in Arizona, they've been doing these floors since 1996. So in terms of lessons learned and products and systems, they've been honing them in for over 20 years. We've been right there with them for half of it.
Favorite flooring system would definitely be our Earth Effects or Diamond Effects floors. They're really unique to what we do. We use our own proprietary blends. We add mica stone in with those, so when they get into sunlight, they really reflect and pop.
And our top coats are also proprietary to the Garage Floor Coating family. There's a reason we can guarantee that your floor won't stain.
Everybody has different needs, so it's fun to get to know people and decipher what exactly they're looking for and have a solution for them.
If there's something that can be better, we're all talking about it consistently. I just love hearing how excited our customers get, and exceeding expectations it feels good.